Shock here, and today on Crash Course World History, we'll be talking about capitalism. Capitalism is an economic and political system characterized by private business owners turning profits. Now pass that mic. Hoi, it's the Monopoly Guy, and I'm here to tell you about the origins of capitalism. Capitalism was first seen around 1200 CE when merchants trading in the Indian Ocean Trade Network would buy from rich kings in order to sell merchandise for a profit, then later repaying the kings. Take it.
Yo, thanks Monopoly Guy. Look people, industrial capitalism spawned around the 1700s in Great Britain. During this, a significant increase of productivity and the introduction of factories allowed private business owners to suddenly become very rich while others became very poor. I mean, just listen to Winston Churchill.
The main spur of trade or industry is the exorbitant appetite of men. 2 Chainz? Hey Bubs, check it out. Capitalism is a system based on people establishing private businesses and selling their product both nationally and internationally. Those businesses borrow money from banks and paying those banks back with interest, therefore creating a circle of money. Just listen to this English guy. The inherent vice of capitalism is the unequal sharing of blessings. In fact, it probably went a little something like this. Excuse me, sir. We work ever so hard. Could we have a little bit more time off? Oh, you crack me up. Pass the mic.
Now we will continue to our relation to capitalism over our common world. And what a greater example than the Cold War. The Cold War was generally a battle for influence of the world between capitalism and communism, which resulted in the end of the Soviet Union, not the total end of communism, but a complete end to communism, and the end of global imperialism for pretty much the Soviets. So, yeah, Soviets pretty much lost. Moving on to the U.S. and Britain view of communism. Pretty much they were in quarrel because they were trying to find common ground between communism and capitalism. So pretty much by doing this, they found a common ground by doing businesses such as oil. Moving on to another topic, although communism was all good and it did have negative feedback, which was the people became antisocial in businesses.